Hello, we're back with lesson 2. Still in module 2. Remember, we're doing a new lesson. And yesterday we made 10 with 3 add-ins and we added up to solve with pictures. Today, I can make 10 with 3 add-ins. So we're going to continue on. It's going to look a little different though, because we're probably not going to be using as many manipulatives this time. We're going to be working with drawings probably some more. So that means you might need your whiteboard or piece of paper. Make sure you have those ready to go. But before we get going on that, we got to exercise our mind a little bit. We got to flex those brain muscles. We got to warm up our brain. And today, you don't have fluency in Google Classroom. So in order to warm up our brains, we're going to work on our application problem. Remember, we become number detectives. Yep. Still not going to fit on my head today. So we're going to have number detectives and warm up with our application problem. So make sure you have your whiteboard or a piece of paper and pencil, something that you can work with me, because you should be doing this too. You should be drawing and writing it out. And you know what? If you can solve the problem without me, pause the video and then solve it and then come back and check it and see if you're right. Okay. Now your work might look a little different than mine. See if you get the same answer if you really want to challenge yourself. Okay. So let's get our problems or application up there. Here we go. Remember, a good number detective does what? We read the entire problem and then we go back and we see what we have to do and then we look for clues. Okay, so let's read through our application problem and then we'll go back and see what we have to do and then we'll look for our clues. Okay, here we go. Lisa was reading a book. She read 6 pages the first night, 5 pages the next night, and 4 pages the following night. How many pages did she read? Does it tell us what we have to do? Not up here, but look, there's more. Make a drawing to show your thinking. Write a statement to go with your work. Here's what we have to do. We have to write or draw a picture and we have to write a statement, okay? So I noticed something while I was reading. I noticed that we're only talking about one person, but there were multiple numbers. Do you think this is kind of similar to what we did yesterday in our lesson, where we added the 3 numbers, but we looked for 10? Let's go back and look for clues and see if that maybe helps us. Okay, so let's look. Lisa was reading a book. Is that really a clue? Not really. I mean, Lisa is the only person it's talking about. So that's sort of a clue. She reads 6 pages the first night. That's a clue. She read 6 pages the first night. Okay. 5 pages the next night. Another clue. 5 pages next night, and 4 pages the following night. 4 pages the following night. Okay, so that's 3 different nights. So let's draw out those 3 different numbers. So the first night, we have 6 pages. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I draw books with pages in them? No, I drew simple math drawings with circles. That's the most efficient way, so it's super fast and easy, okay? Then this was the first night. The next night, she had 5 pages that she read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4 pages the following night. So the last night, she only read 4 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, is this starting to look similar to what we did yesterday? Yes. Can we make a number sentence using these numbers? Yes. That's right. I can say 6 plus 5 plus 4 equals something. We don't know what it equals yet. Now, how can we solve this? I mean, we could count up all the dots. That might take a little while too, huh? We could look and see if maybe 2 of our numbers make 10. Let's try that. Okay, remember, if you don't remember what the facts are of 10, then we can count on. So we could say 6 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That didn't work. Let's try 5 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That wasn't right either. Can we try 6 and 4? Let's try 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 and 4 make 10. I'm going to circle my 6 and 4 because I know that they're 10. And I'm going to put 10 plus the one we didn't circle, 5, equals. Now, can I say 10 plus 5 more? I can. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now, did we make a drawing to show our thinking? Yes, we did. We even wrote math sentences to help with our thinking. But what did we need to write? A statement. Remember, our statement answers our questions. How many pages did she read? She read 15 pages. Okay, now did we make a statement to go with our work? Yes, we did. So we have solved everything we need to. We drew a picture out, we wrote a statement to answer our question, and we even made math sentence to go along to help us solve it like we did yesterday in our lesson. And we circled our 10, okay? So if you did it a different way, it's okay, as long as we still get the same answer, right? She read 15 pages. So good job, case closed. Nice work, number detectives. Who's ready with our lesson? Okay, again, we don't have Miss Curry or Miss Singleton today. We are still using the same teacher we used yesterday. Now, here's what I need you to do. If you don't have your whiteboard and you don't have your pencil or paper ready, you should go ahead and erase your boards. Mine's not erased yet. Erase your board and get ready for our video. I'm gonna pause so I can erase my board and set up our video, okay? I'll be back quicker than a flash. Told you I'd be back quicker than the flash. Okay, let's share this lesson out with you guys so you can see what I'm talking about too. And let's make her bigger. Oh, let's make sure my volume's up all the way. Yep, we're good. There we go. Make sure your board and marker's ready to go or your paper and pencil ready to go.
Hi students, welcome back. Today we're going to continue solving number sentences with 3 add-ins where we made 10. Well, let's get started, first grade mathematicians. Here I have a number sentence. 5 plus 3 plus 5 equals something. I want you to draw to solve for the unknown. Push pause if you need time to complete your work. I'll be right here waiting when you get back.
Okay, I'm gonna pause. And like she just said, we're going to draw. So when you write a math sentence, kind of write it at the top of your board or the top of your paper, and don't write it huge because we want to leave room so we can draw. Now, while we're drawing, we need to make our drawings kind of small. And I'm going to change mine up just a little bit today so you guys can see what I mean. So my math sentence is 5 plus 3 plus 5. 5 plus 3 plus 5 equals something. We don't know what it equals just yet. Let's zoom in a little closer. Now, she wants us to draw a math drawing. I'm not going to go across because it might run into our other numbers. I'm actually going to draw down this time. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see how I drew down this time? I still kept my drawings at circles and I made them small so we could have lots of room. But instead of going across where they might run into each other, I went straight down.
Let's see how our friends solve this. Let's first look at Jada's work. Say hola, Jada.
Hola, Jada.
Hola is hello in Spanish. Take a moment to look at Jada's work. What do you notice and what are you wondering?
I notice I see 8 and 5.
I'm noticing that Jada added 5 and 3 together, and she knew that it equaled 8. She then counted on 5 more from 8, and she got 13, like this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Great work, Jada. Let's give Jada 2 claps. Now, let's look at my friend Ivan's work. Say bonjour, Ivan.
Bonjour, Ivan.
Bonjour is hello in French. Take a moment to look at Ivan's work. What do you notice? And what are you wondering?
I noticed that Ivan circled 5 and 5.
I noticed that Ivan grouped the 2 5s together and added those first since he knew it made 10. Then he added 3 more, and since his 10 plus facts, he knew that 10 and 3 equals 13. Awesome work, Ivan. Let's also give Ivan 2 claps. I want you to take a moment to think. How are the strategies used by Jada and Ivan similar and different from one another? I also want you to consider who is correct. Go ahead and take a moment to think.
And I'm going to pause, kind of talk it out. So let's think about this. Ivan circled 2 5s and made 10. And he said 10 plus 3 equals 13. And Jada said that 3 and 5 made 8, and then 8 and 5 made 13. They both got the same answer, but they just circled 2 different numbers. Is that okay? Yeah, they still got the same answer. Which way do you think would be more efficient? Let's see what we've got.
Tell me what you're thinking.
We just did, didn't we?
Wait, so you mean to tell me that they're both correct? So even though they added different numbers together first, did they get the same total? Give me thumbs up if yes, give me a thumbs down if no.
We got the same total.
Yeah, they did get the same total. Wow, okay, let's do this again. And this time, let's use Ivan's strategy of making 10 from 2 of our add-ins. Here's our new number sentence. Let's read it together. Get ready.
7 plus 5 plus 3 equals something.
I want you to draw to show the 3 amounts. Press pause if you need time to complete your work. I'll be right here waiting when you press play.
Okay, I'm going to pause because now we're going to draw this out. I'm going to draw it the exact same way I did with my 5 plus 3 plus 5. I'm going to go down. That way I save room. But this time we're going to say 7 plus 5 plus 3 equals something. So let's draw our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, she told us that she wants us to solve this how Ivan did and look for a 10. Do I know which 2 numbers make 10? I might know it off the top of my head, but if I don't, can I count on to see which ones equal 10? Yes. But luckily, we know our 10 facts, and we know that 7 and 3 more make 10. So I'm going to circle my 7 and my 3 because I know that they make 10. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. So 10 plus the number we didn't circle, 5, equals how many? Remember, if you don't know your 10 facts, you can say 10 and 5 more, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we know that 7 plus 5 plus 3 is 15. Let's see.
Did your drawing look something like this?
Kind
Strike
of.
a pose if it did.
Ours went down. We could still strike a pose.
Those were some really great poses. Nice work, friends. Well, what two add-ins make 10?
We knew that 7 and 3 made 10.
Did you say
7 plus
7 and 3? Let's circle 7 and 3 in our drawing to show that we made 10. Our new number sentence to show what two numbers we added first would be 7 plus 3 plus 5.
Okay, so let's
equals
break that.
something.
7
Let's show
plus
in a
3
number bond
plus
what
5.
two numbers we used to make 10.
We
Go ahead
used
and do it on your personal whiteboard.
7 and 3 to make 10.
So we just showed 10
Right in
and
that
5
room.
more, which equals, whisper it to me. It equals 15. A number sentence to show how we solve this problem would be 10 plus 5 equals 15. Great work, mathematicians. Let's try a few more together. Our new number sentence is 9 plus 2 plus 1 equals something. Go ahead, draw to show the three amounts.
Okay, I'm going to pause. I'm going to erase this and you are going to draw it also. Leave room because remember, we're going to probably have to do another number bond. So our new sentence says 9 plus 2 plus 1. So let's write that up here. 9 plus 2 plus 1. We can draw out our 9. If you want to draw it this way, you can. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's our 2, 1, 2, and our 1. Okay, now, do two of those numbers make 10? I know that 9 and 1 more make 10, so I'm going to circle my 9 and my 1 more. Now, my 9 and 1 more now say 9 plus 1 plus 2 equals something. I know that if I put it in number bond, 9 and 1 make 10 plus 2 more. Okay, so let's see if we're on the right track so far.
Did your drawing look something like this?
There's our drawing.
Great work. Well, what two add-ins make 10?
We said that 9 and 1 made 10.
Did you say 9 and 1? Let's circle 9 and 1 in our drawing using our string to show that we made 10. Our new number sentence to show the two add-ins that we added first is 9 plus 1 plus 2 equals something. So we have 10 and 2 more, which equals
12.
Yes, it equals 12. So our number sentence that shows how we solve this problem would be 10 plus 2 equals 12. Let's do one more together, friends. Your new number sentence is 2 plus 4 plus 8 equals something. Go ahead, draw to show the three amounts. Press pause if you need time to complete your work.
Okay, I'm going to pause. Here's our new number sentence, 2 plus 4 plus 8. Let's draw that bad boy out. We have 2 plus 4 plus 8. Draw out 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now, do I know that two of those numbers make 10? Do I know which two make 10? Well, I'm not sure. Let me try it. 8 and 4 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, that's too high. 8, 9, 10, 2. So we're going to circle our 2 and our 10. Or I mean, not our 10, but our 8, because those make 10. So now I'm going to write a new number sentence. 2 plus 8 plus 4 equals something. Okay, because I know that 2 and 8 make 10 or more. What do you think that might be? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oops. All right. I don't know. If we're right, I'll do a little dance. Let's see. Do you think we're right? I don't know.
Your drawing should have looked something like this.
We've got
What
it.
two addends make 10?
We said 2 and 8. Are we right?
Yep. 2 and 8 make 10.
Okay, so far so
Let's
good.
use our string to circle 2
We
and 8
circled our
in
2 and
drawing
8.
to show that we made 10. What would our new number sentence be to show what two addends we added first?
We said 2 plus 8 plus 4.
Our new number sentence would be 2 plus 8 plus 4 equals something. So we have 10 and 4 more. Let's count on 10,
11, 12, 13, 14.
So 10 and 4 more equals
14. What did I say I was going to do if we were right?
14.
I was going to do a little boogie
A number
dance.
sentence to show how we solve this problem would be 10 plus 4 equals 14.
Good job, guys.
Excellent work, friends. Well, now it's time for the problem set. Your must-do problems are 1, 3, and 7. Remember to do your best work for 10 minutes. I'll see you next time. Adios. That's bye in Spanish.
Adios. All right, I'm going to stop sharing. Welcome back. Let me zoom in because I'm super close. All right. Don't want to go too far out because I'm going to bring up our problem set. That way we can look and see what we need to do on our problem set. All right. Now remember, you're doing 3, and I think she said 7. Let me look. 1, 3, and 7. Okay. So we're doing 1, 3, and 7 today. Let's pull it up. Ta-da! Let me adjust my camera here so I can see it. Whoops, wrong way. I'm not going to do number 1 with you because I want you to do number 1. I will show you number 2 though. All right, let's look at it. It says circle the numbers that make 10. Draw a picture, complete the number sentence. Now, you've got quite a bit already up here, but you still need to solve for the blank places, okay? So make sure you complete that, but let's look at number 2. Now, number 2, here we go. It has nothing there. I have to draw a picture too, don't forget. 9 plus 1 plus 4. I'm gonna draw out here so I have lots of room. I'm gonna draw my 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna draw my 1. And I'm gonna draw my 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I need to circle the ones that make 10. Well, I know that 9 and 1 make 10. I'm gonna circle 9 and 1 make 10. I can even come over here and circle it. I can put 9 plus 1 equals 10, plus the one we didn't circle, 4. Now I'm gonna come over here and say 10 plus 4 more equals. So I can say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Now, did I draw a picture to show? Yes, I did. Did I circle my 10? Yep. Did I write a new number sentence to show the 10? Yes. And then I wrote 10 plus something, okay? You're gonna do number 3. Let's look at number 5. number 5. I'm sorry, you're gonna do 3 and 5. Let's look at number 4. My bad, number 4. All right, here's our problem, 4 plus 3 plus 7. I need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to draw 3. 1, 2, 3, and I need to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, do I know which 2 numbers make 10? I do, because I know my 10s. 7 and 3 make 10. If you don't know, you can count and see. I'm going to come over here and circle my 7 and 3. Now, I have to write a new number sentence to show that the 2 numbers equal 10. So I'm going to start with 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7, because they equal 10, plus the 4 we didn't circle. Now I can come over here and say 10 plus the 4. Ooh, we just did this one. 10 and 4 more make 14. So I've drawn my picture. I circled my 10, rewrote my number sentence to show 10 first, and then solved, okay? You're gonna do number 5. Oh, I'm sorry, you're not doing number 5, you're doing number 7. Let's look and make sure there's no different directions. Oh, our directions change on number 7. Be careful. All right, let's see what it says. Circle the numbers that make 10, put them into a number bond and solve. Look at number 6. Your problem was 9 plus 1 plus 5. I know that 9 and 1 make 10, so I circled them and made a number bond out of it, okay? Now I have to say 10, I'm gonna write 10 plus 5 equals, because that's gonna help me. You don't have to draw that, but I'm gonna do it because it helps me. Because now I know 10 plus 5 more equals 15. You're gonna do number 7, but I'm gonna do number 8 to show you again, okay? 3 plus 5 plus 5. What are my 2 numbers that equal 10? The doubles. So I'm going to circle my 5 and my 5. I'll make a number bond out of it and put 10. Okay. So now I have 10 plus 3, because I didn't circle my 3. 10 plus 3 more equals 13. That wasn't so bad. I'm going to do one more just so you can see. 3 plus 6 plus 7. Do I know what 2 numbers make 10? My 3 and my 7. I'm still going to circle those, but I'm not going to make my number bond off that. I'm actually going to make another number bond. I'm going to put a 10 here and then put my 3 and my 7. Now I can say 10 plus 6 equals what? 10 plus 6 more is 16. Okay, you're going to do 1, 3, and 7 today on your problem set. You're going to complete the whole exit ticket, and then when you're done, you're going to turn them into me, completed, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And I'm going to see you on the next lesson. Goodbye, friends.